Yeah, just getting used to it. Pick up the two wagons that are needed to the point.
You modelling EM? So, thinking about it? Thinking about it?
Yeah, not with my eyesight.
That's a spare battery. We have. Oh, we have got a read about it.
Oh yeah. I just look. They're not too far from where I live. These people.
No, I know.
As well.
There's some flexible cobblestones. What like Lord Butler last week?
Are they?
Some sort of lino it is.
It's a really nice little tool.
Yes, I'm not sure what he.
That's okay.
Dirty, you know? I bet that's it. Is it cool?
Yeah, I know, it's so detailed. This is so cool. Where's it going? Bye, train. That's sound effects cool, that's cool.
Have you read? I haven't read the questions. Relying on you to do them.
Last then. Oh no, that's it. That's two questions. The answer's from the end.
Yeah, it was a bit annoying. It was going to be close anyway to get the layout ready for Wells, which is roughly a month today. But when we discover that your board is doing that, so it's also then doing that, you think.
That's the point to stop and not try anything.
So you'll have to wait till next year then. So smoothly.
It can't just be DCC, sure.
Yeah, it is. It is. Just using a good decoder. In this case, they're all Bachmann 6-pin Zimmo decoders. And yeah, fine. Yeah, I get quite ratty if going into DCC. All the other layouts are DC. And having, because this was built as a DC layout, and all I did was just plug this in. So yeah, the next layout will be DCC right from the word go. I mean, if you're going to use small logos on the shunting layout, it's going to work. You may as well not bother with that.
That's the control unit. Yeah, so there's two balls.
Yeah, they're remarkably good. A Dapple Rails Terrier and a P-Class, and they run brilliantly on DC, brilliant on DCC, but going through the bullheads, they were a nightmare. They were just stopping. So that was the other thing that put me back, was having to rip all the bullheads up and replace with Pico Streamline.
Yeah, the bullhead was particularly.
Well, we think, because we did a little bit of experimenting, we think it's because they're looking into it. We sent them some points and said, you've got a problem with your bullhead points. And they're like, ooh, have we? Yes. And what it is it's part of the point, more or less where the blades are. It's not supported on the inside.
Sunshine, and then you can also take it down and take it back up. And bend over and then really extend it. So you see, God made me, so this is the sound that I made to go behind it. It's also something you can form like that. And then this is the same. This is the travel box. And then I have to
But they were too good. Check out the YouTube, because the YouTube's got how they built everything,
Yeah, but if you leave or not, it looks quite alright.
yeah, that's 117. As well, like I said, it's on everything, like it says, it's got small world layouts everywhere. Yeah, take photographs of everything, video everything.
We'll be back now today to have a couple of looks at this.
No problem at all. We'll put some at different order, but I'm going to be swapping Thomas over in a bit. So. Thank you. How you doing, folks? You're still there watching, saying, "Go on, move then. Go on." But this, keep putting it on. So yeah, ask me how I got a torch. That was a work of art.
Yeah? Oh. Absolutely incredible.
They had classified for a while, they were recruiting them, but now they're recruiting.
What's happened to 50 homes school? Are you putting on big enough flats? And peels it off the front, so back down from the color, and still doesn't make it like that, so when they come down.
Recently got to operational stage and so running away.
That's fine, that'll stop. It will stop.
But I just thought the whole thing.
Sure, I know. And I think it's got sound in both angles as well. Yeah, it's very much work in progress. So everything the build allows is to talk quickly, all that stuff, but things don't sound like it's wrong.
I've always fancied a bridge over it. You'll have to have a look. Come up one day.
I look forward to it.
Yeah. All right, nice to meet you. Take care. Thank you very much.
Lovely, excellent.
You're going to go straight through?
Yeah.
I want to do it. Someone let him down the trade, has he? Not let him down, he had something else on, obviously some emergency.
Yeah.
And he phoned up last minute and Mike phoned me. Mike Bishop said normally this is Great Western and LMS are normally put on this, so
Yeah.
that'll make a slight change if you like. He said, and he phoned up his mate, he said, yeah. He said, yeah, alright. Otherwise we can empty space, yeah. But look at the space, yeah, I can bench a big one, to be honest with you. But I'm glad he picked this one because moving like this is like a pain in the neck and on your own it's a lot. You're off on the day.
That's it, Dave. Are we, nice and good?
We always work here.
Yeah, nice and good.
Nice and ready.
Yeah.
We're kind of on that way.
I stopped in the chicken, you don't need that. I like to make the garden say.
Oh, right, no, you got it.
Right.
Like we said, we went maybe come back from hospital and everything.
Oh, nice.
No, thank you.
Right, see you before I go anyway.
Alright, okay. So long, see you later.
Front bogies off one of these.
Yeah, I thought he was. I see trunking back there and I love looking.
The thing is, I bought stuff and got stuff to eat specifically. Yeah. So, it can be collect. Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, you said we could. Just watch that later.
2 boxes of universal school wagons, 4 boxes of UE retirement school wagons, 4 boxes of immediate bread. School wagons.
Be very careful.
I do right. So now I think that one before it. To accommodate them. That was no target.
Those wagons move them into there, so the parameters down. And I've just done exactly what we said not to do. Yeah, and I've just put it that way. So you let the other hand break off. Take the crap off there. Put the back on
We don't show it, that's it. Let's go again. No, yeah, sure. We got a gremlin in there.
Yeah, good. I'm here.
Just like that. From don't know. Past that? All the way around. Come through there, no? There's a bit of ballast on the inside of the rail. I went straight up into the office, down the corridor, and fucking boiling. These doors, not open. Banged it and opened.
Japanese guy.
Where he is? He's taking call.
Yeah, come here, yeah.
Daddy, carry me. I want to see how the time is going.
Let's go, yeah. We are running. Let's go, let's go.
How the time is going. Right, start
I was doing some decking. It was only a small area of deck, and I'd already made the frame off all the legs and just get basically. Oh no. Yeah. I know. Yeah. So we came, you came in, you half an hour you had to go outside. We ended up sitting on the grass out there. A couple of this is up like that. Okay. I'll take the local on. You see that? Yeah, okay, no, it's on here, so okay. The cheese ones have got butter in them, the ham ones.
That's spike prepare.
Easily put out. Then you can move on to, extract building and ready when you are. I've thrown a point for you. Okay.
Yes. Well, hang on. Yeah, I can take
Do you run round then? I'll get the cold one ready.
Uh, 42, 48 forwards there.
I did that deliberately
Just to test me, was it?
it looks okay.
Yeah, it looks fine.
Right.
Okay, 2 seconds. We need.
Trying to be smart just now. We had 3 trains at the same time. Yeah. We couldn't fucking stop them quick enough.
so there'll probably be about 10 layouts there. We'll have stuff there, but it's all, there's nothing from outside the club that I've gone when it's the exhibition. I am.
Yeah?
Yes.
Very useful organisation to be with.
Yeah, it's not too bad. That's next year. We've got an open day in December, just club layouts.
Yeah.
And I'm publicising Fairham because obviously I'm involved with them. Yeah, the open day, I think we've got a...
Pieces and old sticks and twigs and especially rhododendrons and hydrangeas people use.
Oh yeah.
And gypsophilia and things like that.
It's amazing. Yeah.
And then you've got plenty of choices of flocks and colours and things. And I use dried tea bags.
Oh yeah.
Keep tea bags, put them in the shed. I know they got a bit mouldy and things, but dry them out.
Yeah.
I know Robin. I'm on the train. I'm getting
He's a bit of a bit of a person.
So
who
I'll give him a
needs
break. But yeah. So I've got some details. So if you want to come to our show, hello. Yeah. This is not my layout. This is a guy called Robin.
Okay.
He's from the Gloucester Model.
I've just got this from